This is my engine bay before I've detailed it. You can see loads of watermarks. Like, it's pretty bad. Especially my engine cover. And this is the top of my bonnet. Pretty bad. And I will be showing you my first time cleaning an engine bay. Never done it before, but it's worth a go. So my first plan of action is to inspect the engine, see what parts need protecting from like water from when you use a pressure washer. So what I'm going to do is take off this engine cover, cover up the air filter with a towel first, and then wrap it in a carrier bag, and then see if I can cover the alternator that's down the bottom there. It's quite hard to get to, but we'll have a look in a minute when I've taken the cover off. So if I just quickly show you what it looks like underneath the engine cover. So it's pretty dirty. It's not that bad, but the alternator is down there. So I'm going to see if I can get a bag down there or something. Yeah, there's the air filter. But yeah, I think the rest should be pretty okay as long as I go careful. Just came to my first problem. I can't seem to get the bag around the air cone, so I'm going to take the cone out, and then I'm going to cover the actual induction pipe itself with a bag and some tape. So yeah, I'm just undoing the cone first, just loosening it up a bit. Wiggling the cone. Quite a tight space. Okay. And there you go, taking the cone out. It's going to be pretty hard to put back in. But hey, yeah. So what I'm going to do now is cover up this pipe, hopefully. What I've done here is ditched the towel method because it was too thick for me to wrap it round, but I've just done that, put loads of tape around it, shoved all the bag up into the tube so you know that water's not going to go into it or whatnot. And with the alternator, I've tried to cover it as best as I can with the plastic bag, very tight to get down in there and to manoeuvre it, but it is better than nothing. And yeah, hopefully it'll work. So my first thing I'm going to do now is grab some Surfex HD diluted 10:1. People recommend for engine bays 1:5 or 5:1, which way around you say it. But I've still got some 10:1 left, and I don't want to chuck it away just to use a different dilution ratio. So what I'm going to do first is spray all over here with this, and then I'm going to agitate it with a brush, a detailing brush. This may take me quite a while. Now while all that's dwelling and just being agitated, I'm now going to start on the slam panels and the scuttle, and then spray down the engine bay with this. Now I'm going to agitate it. It's all been agitated in. Right, time for the pressure washer. First I'm pressure washing this top bit. Making sure my setting is on soft on the lance. Okay, I've got a water issue, hold on. Sorry about that, I've got to turn my tap on. There you go, now I've done the engine bay as well. Just got to go clean it up. It's all nice and wet and shiny. Just got an old microfiber towel that I'm going to dry it off with. I'm going to start with the top, and then I'm going to start wiping the engine. That's the engine bay now done. It's still wet in places, so start off with the top. That's nice and clean. And then the scuttle panel, clean. Slam panel, still a bit wet. It's pretty cold out here too, it's like 8 degrees, 9 degrees. Now the engine. Don't know how it's coming up on here really, because my phone's pretty dirty on the screen. It's no excuse. I've just put the air filter back in. Much cleaner, I think. Yeah, so I think I'm happy with it. I'm not sure, it's hard to tell. I'm now going to give the engine cover a quick clean.